Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I miss everybody. Thumbs up if you love videos like this. It's a get ready with me for the holidays. It's Vlogmas. It's the holiday season, and this is the look we're doing. I hope you love it. I loved it. I have a lot to cover on this video. We're going to do a little chit chat and some makeup, so let's get started. So give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Hop over to Mr. Traveler so you can see where we travel. We travel around the world, and we love to share our travels with you, as well as fashion, beauty. That'll be all on 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to keep up with me on the daily. First, we're going to start with a face sealer, and everything that I'm going to be using is going to be listed right down below for you to purchase if you like. No, this video is not sponsored, but I just make it easy for you if you want to purchase the makeup that I'm using. So we already started with the moisturizer. We're going to start with a concealer. I love this concealer. It's from Tarte, and it's called Shape Tape, and it actually conceals more than foundation do. I like a medium to heavy coverage, especially when there's a special event that I'm attending. This is formal night on the cruise ship, so I hope you enjoy this look. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of water on my sponge and blend everything together. I love a natural look. I don't wear a lot of heavy makeups unless I have to do a look or like photography or something like that. Other than that, 99% of the time my face is very natural looking because I like easy breezy makeup that you can wear with anything. This is my 5-minute look when I have to go to a special event, and I hope you love it. So we're going to apply some contour here, and this is Posner's. I've been using this for about 10 years, and I still love it. It's one of my staples. So everything will be listed down below, and hopefully everybody is getting ready for the holiday season. I just moved into our condo in Palm Beach, and we are renovating, so it's taking up a lot of my time. Thank you so much for being patient. We're going to blend everything together. And comment below and let me know how your holiday season is going. Is it chilled? Are you bored? Is it very busy? Are you traveling? Let me know down below. So I'm going to blend everything in. This is one of my favorite brushes I use for contouring. It gets everything done. Next, we're going to go ahead and blend in my nose, my cheeks, under my chin to make it look like I got a tan. I really do have a suntan, but this blends everything in. As you can see, it's very seamless. And as you know, it takes some time to do the eyebrows. They're not sisters, they're cousins, so it takes some time. And I like to carve them out, especially when I need to get them waxed or plucked. I like to conceal the hairs with concealer, the same color as my skin. So I like to use a little brush, and if you want to see a tutorial on that, I can do it. Just comment below. Everybody loved this look that I have, so I had a lot of comments on my Instagram, so I decided to put the makeup look on YouTube. So these are some of my favorite lashes. They're called Kiss 03. That's the number if you was wondering. And I love a throwback Ofra for my eye makeup. It's a base, and I also can use it for my cheeks for blush, or I can use it for eyeshadow as well. This is one of my favorite skin lighteners, or I don't know if you call it a highlight or a contour, but it brings a bronze to my skin. It's called MAC Gimme Sun, and the brush that I'm using is also MAC, and it gives my face a really cohesive look. After I do my concealer, then I do my contour, and I apply the Gimme Sun. It just completes my whole look. So here's my lashes that I'm adding on here. It's gonna take me a while to get them on. I'm using duo glue. I don't stray away. I feel like if something works, just stick with it, and I love my staples. So there you have it. My hair is in a bun. This is my real hair. I have it in braids right now, but this is my hair before I got my braids. I'm going to add my ring on, and my nails are gel nails from Kiss, and I popped those on before we even got started, and I have a tutorial on that as well. I'm applying my jewelry. I love Cartier, I love Chanel. These are my everyday wear bracelets that I wear. And let's apply my red lip. Here's my red lip. Everything will be listed down below. Stila is one of my favorite brands for my lips. I love a matte. And we're gonna apply a little bit of banana powder over my makeup. This is my banana powder I'm applying to seal everything in. And I'm gonna add my Chanel earrings. And these are rhinestone, these are vintage, and they have a pearl in them, and I get a lot of compliments on them. They're very sparkly, and I'm glad you enjoyed them. So make sure you give me a thumbs up for this look. This dress is from 𝐺𝑙𝑎𝓚, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our group cruise look. I did a winter white, and I hope you enjoyed the look. So here's the look all together. I want to thank my husband for filming me, Mr. Traveler. Thank you so much for watching. Life's short, have fun. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye, everyone.